Good Midwest morning, everyone. This is Nicole, your mobile bloggist for toctown.com. And this morning, since we have a great, sunny, shiny day in the Midwest, we're actually graced with some mild weather over the holidays. And I decided to go ahead and film some of my setup for 2018. So just wanted to share with you, I will be using my Hobonichi Weeks. And I'll go ahead and link the previous videos that I shared in order to let you know what my setup looks like. So of course it's already pre-washed, and I'm going to be using it for the month of January, February, and of course March, but it does run out on March the 31st. So if you watched my one book 1 year video, then you already know I have my Moleskin already set up for 2019 personal planners and podcasting. But what I wanted to do with this was set it up for my 1 week workshop for the stamping staycation. So I've already set up my monthly calendar, which I think I already shared before that Hobonichi Weeks is kind of too small for me, but on a personal level, it is perfect for just mapping out your month and also getting ready what your topics are going to be for your weekly, or even if you're already blogging on a daily basis, then go ahead and note like which day you planned on blogging and which day you actually, publish. So I went ahead and washed with my garden theme from Kinley Doodles. So I'm going to give it like a Caribbean theme to it with my yellow and blue, which makes green. So you'll get to see which projects are actually on the go for the month of April all the way through October. So stay tuned for the stamping staycation. I will be posting it next, either on my toctown.com website or my mobileblogist.blogspot.com, which is just artisan admin articles. So, of course, as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to link them down below. I'm going to be continuing to not just shop the stash, but also shop other small business owners and those that make products with handmade designs. So this is going to be a pretty exciting year as I celebrate so many things in toctown.com as developing it out, and also some personal production things that I'm going to be sharing with you. I'm Nicole, your mobile bloggist for toctown.com. I'm live and local this week and also on the Express. Take care.